Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to play Need for Speed Heat on PC. First, verify your computer meets the game's minimum system requirements for a smooth and enjoyable experience. Next, acquire the game from a digital platform like Steam or Origin and complete the download process. After installation, launch the game and prepare for some high-octane racing action. We'll cover initial setup and getting started right away. Once in the game, optimize your experience by tweaking the graphics settings. Find a balance between visual fidelity and smooth frame rates for the best gameplay. Personalize your controls, whether you prefer a keyboard or a gamepad, to suit your driving style. Then, dive into the diverse world of Palm City, tackling different race events and challenges. If you're finding this video helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe for more gaming tips. Quick recommendation: Need for Speed Heat can be intense, so keep your feet comfy with darn tough socks. They are incredibly durable and come with a lifetime warranty. You can find a link to them and other great deals in the description below. Now, let's get back to the video. To truly master Need for Speed Heat, practice advanced driving techniques like precise drifting and strategic nitro usage. Invest your earnings into upgrading your favorite cars, enhancing their speed, acceleration, and handling to dominate races. If you encounter any performance hiccups, check your drivers and in-game settings. Many online communities offer solutions for common problems.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.